Hi, welcome to the Tractor Fix channel. And here this time we have the nose cone of a Nuffield DM4. As you see in my previous videos, I have already done the bonnet. So the nose cone was bought in an auction very cheaply, and also it's got some quite bad rust holes on it, which I will now show you how to repair. So firstly, I did the spot welding on the brackets, what hole on the corners of the nose cone, which is where they normally go because the weather gets in, the rain gets in, and it starts to rust and eats away. So I'm just touching up the brackets, and afterwards I'll probably put some filler on it to filler in any divots and holes and whatever. It's only stick welding, just to hold it into place. I said I'm currently done the welding inside, and now I'm just filling the outside of the pretty bad rust holes. The filler does a really good job actually. It breaks really hard. It's just a normal metal filler as you would use on a car, and I am just coating it over as even as I can, and then it takes about a good 5 to 10 minutes to go rock hard. The nose cone I only bought at an auction for about £30 quite a few years ago, but I've had it since. And here you see we've got the fuel tank now, which also needs state of repair. And it basically needs. I'm just going to clean it off, sand it down, and give it a prime up and a top coat just to tidy it up. Really, it was a long time ago since I sprayed this tractor. And obviously over time the rain and the weather and frost and wet has damaged the paint work. There's the front cover that goes on the actual nose cone, and as you can see I put some filler on the front and on the side. Top's in really good nick. It's just the sides that need doing. This is before it's ever been sanded and touched up, ready for spraying. And here's a side plate which goes underneath the fuel tank. Right, a bit of hand sanding now. Okay, so the hand sand has been done, and also the sanding with the grinding flat disc as well has been done. And here you see me just applying the first coat of primer. I think I applied about 2 coats of primer. It's just red oxide primer, mixed with a bit of paint thinner. And as you see me just spraying the nose cone. As you see here, the primer has been done, it's been set. It's been left for a few days. And checking the parts, and then I'll probably see me sand them down in a minute with a fine 3000 grit sandpaper to take any lumps or bits of paint off. Shouldn't be there. And now just applying the top coat, the poppy red Nuffield paint. I applied about 2 coats of that. And here is the Nuffield, the DM4, as you see, with all the bodywork taken off. This is before, after I've stripped it all down. Some of the paint was a bit flake on it. It's been weathered a little bit, unfortunately. And here it is, finally completed. All the parts put back on the tractor. And there's the front. Thanks for watching.